Now, good morning to you. Again, I'm Reverend Jerry Kubuson and I'll be the one to solemnize your wedding today. Nagsasama na pala tayo. Michael Jerome and Roma Floriza. This 8th of November 2025 dito po sa Manila City Hall. We are gathering today the side of God and angels with the presence of course of our friends and loved ones. Nandiyan sila upang saksihan ang isa sa mensaheng ito.
Di kailangang pilitin, mas kailangang piliin lang natin.
All of my love,
With all I am, and all I have,
and all I have.
I honor you,
I honor you,
I respect you,
I respect you,
I love you.
I love you.
For richer, for poorer,
For Richard, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for better, for worse,
for better, for
till death does part. So,
Ikaw pa rin at ako. Tayo'y magkatabi, ngunit sa ating panaginip lang, sa bawat araw at gabi.
I love you. Ikaw ang priority. Ikaw ang priority ng isipin natin. Mas gusto ko na makita mo perfect ang mga bagay sa
Tayo, kahit ano man ang mangyari, sa dulo laging may bahagi. Magkaiba man ang mundo, ulan bumagyo, pangako, ikaw pa rin at ang init na iyong yakap, ang siyang laging
pagka tinatanggap niya na kayo ay magsasama sa banal na kasal ito, correct? You have promised your love for one another. By these vows, by the giving of the rings, by the joining of the hands, and by the authority vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations na. Good luck! Michael.
magkaiba man ang mundo, umulan bumagyo, bumahalo minton, magkahawak kamay.